50 days to ICAN exams. 2 recommended strategies to finish the syllabus. Preparing for ICAN exam in just 50 days is a challenging task, but it's not impossible with a focused and disciplined approach. Here's a step-by-step plan to help you make the most of your limited time. Create a study schedule. Divide your 50 days into study sessions, allocating more time to difficult subjects or areas you're less confident in. This means you should assess the syllabus or topics you need to cover for your ICAN exam and categorize them based on difficulty. Allocate more study time to the subject or topics that you find challenging or less familiar with. For example, if you struggle with financial accounting, you might dedicate more days or hours to this subject compared to topics you're more comfortable with. By doing this, you ensure that you give extra attention to areas where you need improvement, increasing your chances of mastering them before the exam. 2. Allocate specific time for your study. Allocate a specific amount of time to each topic or section to ensure you cover all necessary material. This involves setting clear time limits for each topic or section you plan to study. For instance, you might decide to spend 2 days on one subject and 1 day on another. Be realistic about the time needed for each topic and adjust as necessary. This approach ensures that you cover all the material you need to study within your 50-day time frame and prevents you from spending too much time on any one area. Stick to your schedule and avoid procrastination. Use tools like timers or alarms to remind yourself when to start and stop studying for each topic. Discipline is key to making the most of your study time. By implementing effective time management and seeking support when needed, you can optimize your study efforts during the 50-day preparation period for your ICAN exam. These strategies will help you stay organized, motivated, and well prepared for success. To make this possible, you can join our ICAN exam study challenge to help you complete the syllabus before the exam.